DNA Labs, a center for applied sciences, launches its new program, e-Prayogshala for botany and zoology. It is an initiative by DNA Labs in which live demonstration of practicals, lab instrumentations, concepts, experiments, protocols, and online e-practicals in the fields of botany and zoology will be done for the students. As per UGC guidelines, DNA Lab launches e-Prayogshala for students to avail the facilities of e-lab and they can complete their dissertation, summer training, internship programs as per their course curriculum. DNA Labs is an ISO certified organization that deals with advanced cellular and molecular diagnostics, pathology, microbiology, immunology, clinical biochemistry, histology, and hematology. The topics that will be covered in 15 days and 1 month training programs in the fields of botany and zoology are included in the brochure. The program includes live demonstration of various practicals and experiments in the fields of botany and zoology. A training cum manual book will be provided by DNA Labs to all the registered students, and after completion of the program, DNA Labs will provide students with the certificates. Guest lectures from national and international professionals, scientists will also be taken. Students registered can also contact to the listed faculties for any kind of queries. Students can apply via this procedure depicted in the brochure, and after the completion of the program, certificates will be provided. Batches are starting from 15 June and the last date of registration is 12 June.